In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VLC error opening file for writing problem step by step. This is a very common VLC issue that usually appears when you're trying to record, convert, stream, or save a file, and VLC doesn't have permission to write to the selected location. The good news is that in most cases, this can be fixed in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through quick fixes first, then some intermediate solutions, and finally the reinstall option if nothing else works. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should try is closing all VLC processes completely. Even if VLC looks closed, it might still be running in the background and locking the file. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Look through the list for anything labeled VLC Media Player. Right-click each one and select End Task. Once all VLC processes are closed, reopen VLC and try the action again. This alone fixes the problem for many users. Next, try running VLC as administrator. Sometimes Windows blocks write access to certain folders unless the app has elevated permissions. Close VLC if it's open, then right-click on the VLC shortcut or the VLC.exe file and choose Run as Administrator. Now try saving or writing the file again and see if the error is gone. Another very common cause is antivirus or firewall software blocking VLC. Temporarily disable your antivirus or Windows Defender and then test VLC again. If it works, you'll know the security software was the issue, and you can add VLC as an exception instead of leaving protection turned off. The next quick fix is checking the file location and file name. VLC can sometimes struggle with long file paths or special characters. Move the file or choose an output folder like C:/media or your desktop. Also rename the file to something short and simple with no special symbols. Then try again. If the error still appears, let's move on to some intermediate solutions. First, check file ownership and permissions. Right-click the folder or file you're trying to write to and choose Properties. Go to the Security tab and make sure your user account has full control. If not, click Advanced and take ownership of the folder, then apply the changes. This ensures VLC is allowed to write files there. Another helpful fix is resetting VLC preferences. Sometimes corrupted settings can cause write errors. Open VLC, click Tools, then Preferences. At the bottom, click Reset Preferences and confirm. VLC will return to its default settings. Close VLC, reopen it, and test again. You should also check for VLC updates. An outdated version can contain bugs that cause writing errors. In VLC, click Help and then check for updates. If an update is available, install it and restart VLC before testing again. If none of these solutions work, the final step is reinstalling VLC completely. First, uninstall VLC from your system using Apps and Features or Programs and Features. After uninstalling, restart your computer to clear out any leftover files or locked processes. Then go to the official VLC website, download the latest version, and reinstall it fresh. This usually resolves any deep configuration or permission issues causing the error opening file for writing message. And that's it. You've now learned multiple ways to fix the VLC error opening file for writing issue, from quick fixes to more advanced solutions. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.